Measures taken by the government to open the second branch of the Araz River to lower the level of water and reduce the capacity of water flowing into the Kure River were ineffective. On June 8, the government began to close the new branch in Bahramtapas settlement next to temporary metal bridge. Engineers said that the new branch will be closed due to the lack of water in the Araz River. In spite of recent protests of scientists and specialists, the government began to open the new branch. According to Prime Deputy Minister Abid Sharifov, 600,000 cubic meters of sand and 25,000 cubic meters of stone and concrete were used there. There aren't any details about the amount of the expenditures. During a meeting held by the government on 7 June, Sharifov presented the light metal bridge constructed there as a miracle. He emphasized that this bridge needs years to be constructed, but was built within 2 or 3 weeks. The bridge, which supports one-way movement, was considered for only small cars. Huge vehicles and refrigerators should bypass the bridge. Nobody knows who will pay the losses of people who carry cargoes and how long this situation will continue. Local residents have been subjected to heavy losses as a result of the new branch being opened without any calculations being made. Thousands of hectares of melon plantations and pastures remain underwater. I'm a veteran of the Afghanistan and Karabakh wars. I lost everything I had, like many villagers. Our land remains underwater and nobody is taking us seriously, said local resident Alim Gahramanov. Journalists looking through the main branch of the Araz River, which is several kilometers away from the new branch, identified that the level of the water in the river is not so high, and a new branch shouldn't have been constructed.